Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we pair guys Bluetooth speaker to our Realme phone. Friends, you want to pair guys speaker to your phone, and guys you want to use guys speaker Bluetooth speaker with your Realme phone. So friends, how can you use and guys how can you pair it in your Realme phone? In this video I will show you. So friends, it doesn't matter guys which Bluetooth speaker guys you have guys. I have guys the JBL company speaker, and guys I want to pair with my Realme phone. So friends, I will on first of all my phone setting to pair it. Then guys I will on Bluetooth, and guys first of all guys we will on our speaker Bluetooth friends. And guys in your speaker guys you can see guys your Bluetooth option guys, press here to pair guys. First of all guys you will not press guys, you cannot pair. Then guys you can see this type of settings. Then we will have to refresh our Bluetooth settings. So we will refresh, and guys you can see available device. Then guys you can see guys your speaker name. So guys you can see JBL speaker guys, we will tap here to pair. Then guys you can see it's pairing, and guys it will pair automatic. So as you can see in use for calls and media playback. So you can see guys speaker has paired, and guys now we can use it while listening song like that guys you can use. And guys you want to pick up call, so as you can see this call option, so you can pick up call. And guys you can see volume down and up button you can use in your Realme phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to pair Bluetooth speaker to our Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching, bye.